Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use chat in Marvel Rivals on PS5. To begin, simply press and hold the down directional button on your controller. This action will bring up the communication wheel. From there, press the R2 button to open the text chat box. You can also use voice chat or the quick communication wheel for efficient team coordination. There are several ways to keep in touch with your squad. Once the text chat box is open, you can type your messages using the PlayStation 5's on-screen keyboard. For faster input, consider using the motion controls available with your controller. After composing your message, press R2 again to send it to your team. Marvel Rivals also allows you to customize your text with various font colors, special characters, and even emojis, adding a personal touch to your communication. To use voice chat, navigate to the game's settings menu, then select the audio tab. Here, ensure that the voice chat option is turned on. You can also adjust your microphone volume and the overall voice chat volume to ensure everyone can hear and be heard clearly. Marvel Rivals offers both push-to-talk and always-on voice activation modes, allowing you to choose your preferred method for speaking with teammates. Beyond in-game settings, always verify your PlayStation 5 system microphone settings to confirm it is active and not muted. Effective voice chat is crucial for strategic callouts, such as informing your team about enemy positions, their health status, or when an ultimate ability is ready. Remember to keep your communication positive and constructive. Good sportsmanship fosters a better gaming experience for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.